I think it is very important. Anyway, we have time now because nobody is in a hurry to actually hire. So at least keep yourself a 3 months of target. 3 months of target, as I said, that first thing you start looking at the companies that you would like to work with. Make a list. I can tell you that some of the things that I'm saying, if you really follow to the core, you can never say that I haven't got a job. So what I'm actually saying is that first look at companies that you would like to target. Okay, doesn't matter whether it's a technical, non-technical, or IT company, non-IT company. Don't worry about those things, right? All the companies are going to come back to normal in any case. Some will come faster, some will take time. So make a list of, I would say, okay, let me just put some numbers. So you should have, let's say, 100 companies that you would like to target. Okay, go ahead and look at in these 100 companies, who are the people who are on LinkedIn, where you make your LinkedIn profile properly and make sure that it's improved continuously, where you do some online programs and update this on that, and then also see what's happening. So follow all the companies that you have identified, make a list on an Excel sheet, then say that have I followed? Yes, I followed all of those. And then you say that who are the people who are there in the company who may potentially be able to help you in getting you inside the company. So go ahead and look at the managers and above. Don't worry about the HR. You don't have to get in touch with HR. Always you can be in touch with the managers who are actually responsible. Probably they'll be able to connect with you well. Then maybe HR comes in later. But I think at this time, you please get in touch with all the managers and above, whoever is in those companies. Probably in 100 companies, let's say 5 each. So that means 500 connections if you are able to make, and make constant contact and also updation, and also you keep sharing your thoughts. Or if they have posted something, comment intelligently. Don't just comment for the sake of comment, okay? And that will actually build a kind of a profile over a period of time. And also you keep watching what kind of jobs that are coming up in those companies. It might be posted everywhere on their website or on their LinkedIn, or maybe, any other, job portals that are there. Keep watching, but, don't really jump into just doing things. So I think that those are the very basic. I'm saying I'm not going to the next level, but these are the very basics that one must do to be able to be ready